guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. For this video, I'm going to show you guys some cool I can't speak. Okay, for this video, I'm going to show you guys some cool thrift flip ideas, or clothing flip ideas you can do with things that you already have in your closet, because we are in quarantine and you can't really go to the thrift store right now, which sucks, but it's okay. Maybe these ideas will help you with your boredom during quarantine, and you might come out with some really cute outfits after quarantine is over, or you know, rock them during quarantine. Live your best life. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and let's get into it. Hold on to me. So back in January, I was going to Gasparilla, which is a pirate-themed like party thing in Tampa. It's really fun. My friend invited me, and for the pirate theme, I found this top at a thrift store. It was really cheap, and I thought it definitely had potential to work with a really cute pirate-themed outfit. So I bought it, and this is what I did. So first I cropped it, and I kept the waistband area of the shirt so that I could maybe do something with that. And then I turned the shirt inside out and folded it up, and then using some fabric glue, I glued the folded up edge back to the shirt and basically created a tunnel all the way around the shirt just with fabric glue. You could also sew this if you wanted to. And then I took some elastic. I bought this at Walmart. It was really cheap, and I just measured it around my waist so that, you know, it would fit. I made sure it was a little tight around my waist when I did measure it so that it would cinch my waist basically. And then I used a piece of my keys, but ideally you'd want to use a safety pin, but I didn't have one on hand, so I used this, and I just attached it to the elastic and then threaded it through the tunnel that I had created with my glue. And then at the end, I took the clip off, and then I just tied the two pieces together, and I kept trying to move the knot up as high as possible to give the most elastic to the shirt. After I tied the knot, I just pulled the rest of the elastic into the tunnel and sealed it off with some fabric glue. Once the fabric glue dried, I turned the shirt right side out again, and then I took the waistband that I had saved from earlier and I cut off the little bit of string that was hanging off the front because I thought it would be really cute to add back to the front of the shirt. And I just used a little bit of super glue to glue it on, and it's held pretty well, but I used super glue because it dried a lot faster than the other, but maybe sewing it on would be better. And literally that's it, and here's my outfit from Gasparilla. So I thrifted this simple white tank top for like $2 or $3, and you know, I wasn't really into it, so when I got it, I decided I was going to crop it. Really simple, just picked where I wanted to cut it, and then I just cut straight across, and honestly, it's now one of my favorite shirts. So I bought this UCF jacket from Walmart a while ago because I had a football game to go to and it was kind of cold, but the only size they had was like an XXL, which is a bit big on me. So I decided I was going to go ahead and crop it, and I kind of did something similar to what I did with the first top, where I cropped it and then I made a tunnel with the fabric glue and inserted an elastic, and it came out so cute. So basically I just cropped the sweatshirt right above the pocket, and then I folded over the edge and cut an elastic to fit my waist, threaded it through. This time I actually got a safety pin. Look at me go. And then I definitely recommend clipping the other end of the elastic to the shirt so you don't accidentally pull it through the tunnel as well. And then once you have the two ends together, just tie them together the same way I did in the first clip. And it's super simple, and this really is a very cheap thing to do. I bought the fabric glue and elastic from Walmart for like, I don't know, under $10 for both of them, so like awesome, and you can do so many projects with this. And then I just sealed off the extra space with a little bit more fabric glue, and now I have this super cute trendy like sweatshirt representing my school. And yeah. Okay guys, that is the end of this video. Let me know down below which thrift flip you liked best. I think they all look really cool. They came out pretty good. I'm excited about them and I'm excited to wear them and stuff. So yeah, and let me know if you guys decide to try any of them out. Feel free to follow me on social media if you want to. It's all linked down below. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and then also subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.